my god, what is this? Look at that.
That's funny. Hey guys, welcome back to Stephanie Emma. We continue with our visit to local shops in search of squishy slime and cool stuff for the holidays. Today we visited Pacific Mall. But before that, we went to see the new Justice League movie in IMAX. I thought it was a very good movie, but I liked Thor Ragnarok a little bit more. Stephanie says she likes the Justice League movie more. I thought Thor was a movie that was more funnier and more entertaining. It's just a lot more fun. There were parts in the Justice League movie that bored Didi, and we ended up playing squishy during the boring parts of the movie. After the movie, we went to Pacific Mall. This is the mecca of squishy. You'll find all kinds of squishy here, and many stores have them. There is the UNY store on the main floor that sells a lot of squishy. It's the most expensive store to buy squishy though. Go upstairs and you will find a store called Y&D. They have the most squishy in the mall, and prices are cheaper. It's my favorite store. The person there is very nice and gave us free squishy for Halloween. Today she gave 2 squishies to Didi for a good price. Across from Y and D is another squishy store that had some nicer ones. They had a nice unicorn cinnamon roll ice cream and coffee cup squishy. Squishy and it's a really apple. That's the fake one. And it's the green apple. And next, Didi got is this strawberry. This is strawberry. And then, next what I got, whole bag of squishies. And I did open one squishy. But it's actually a squeeze, so not a squeeze. So, yeah. Can I have some bubble tea? Make sure to follow me at Baby Emma XOXO on Instagram for more bonus squishy videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Bye!